If you're curious about raking in some serious cash from the comforts of your home, you gotta check out this video all the way to the end. Had enough of the 9-to-5 grind? Get ready to make some bucks from your couch? Well, this video is right up your alley. Hey Luxo lovers, today we're spilling the beans on the juiciest work-from-home gigs that bring in the big bucks. First things first, welcome to Luxo-Life, your partner in life. If you find the deets in this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, drop your thoughts in the comments, and share it around. Let's spread the knowledge far and wide. Thanks y'all. Let's begin with number 8 on our list, graphic designer. This role is perfect for those with a creative flair and a passion for visual communication. Graphic designers are the artistic minds behind the captivating visuals you see in advertisements, websites, and various media. They use their skills to communicate messages through images, layout, and design elements. It's an ideal career for individuals who enjoy translating ideas into visually appealing and impactful creations. In terms of salary, graphic designers can earn around $42,000 on average. However, this figure can vary based on factors such as experience, skill level, and the industry they work in. As designers gain more expertise and build a strong portfolio, they often have the potential to command higher pay. Freelance graphic designers in particular have the flexibility to set their rates, allowing for additional income potential. Typically, becoming a graphic designer requires a combination of technical proficiency, creativity, and education. While formal education in graphic design or related fields can be beneficial, many successful designers also require skills through practical experience and self-learning. To succeed in this cutthroat industry, one must be proficient with design software like Adobe Creative Suite and develop a strong portfolio of varied, well-executed work. Additionally, staying updated on design trends and continuously honing one's skills is crucial for long-term success in the dynamic world of graphic design. Moving on to number 7 on our list, writers and authors. If you've got a way with words and a love for storytelling, this might just be your dream gig. Writers and authors craft engaging narratives, articles, or books that captivate readers across various genres. Whether you're into fiction, non-fiction, or specialized content, this work-from-home job allows individuals to unleash their creativity and share their unique perspectives with the world. In terms of salary, writers and authors can earn around $55,000 on average. However, this figure can fluctuate based on factors like experience, the type of writing, and the publication platform. Freelance writers often have the flexibility to set their rates, while those working with established publishers may receive advances and royalties. As writers gain recognition and build a loyal readership, their earning potential can significantly increase over time. To become a writer or author, formal education in creative writing or a related fields can be beneficial, but it's not the only pathway. Many successful writers are self-taught and hone their craft through extensive reading, writing practice, and continuous improvement. Developing a unique voice and perspective, coupled with the ability to meet deadlines, is crucial in this field. Building a strong portfolio of published work, whether through blogs, magazines, or self-publishing, is key to establishing credibility and attracting opportunities in the competitive world of writing. Let's delve into the world of post-secondary teaching, coming in at number 6 on our work-from-home jobs list. This role is tailor-made for individuals passionate about sharing knowledge and mentoring the next generation. Post-secondary teachers, also known as professors or instructors, work at colleges and universities guiding students through higher education. If you have expertise in a particular subject and enjoy fostering intellectual growth, this could be the ideal remote career for you. In terms of salary, post-secondary teachers can earn an average of $59,000. However, this figure can vary based on factors such as the subject taught, academic rank, and institution. Professors often can supplement their income through research, publications, and consulting. Teaching remotely provides the flexibility to conduct lectures, grade assignments, and engage with students from the comfort of one's home, making it an attractive option for those seeking a blend of academia and remote work. To become a post-secondary teacher, typically a minimum of a master's degree in the relevant field is required, although many positions prefer or require a PhD in certain disciplines. Gaining teaching experience, whether through assistantships, adjunct positions, or industry expertise, is valuable for securing a teaching role. Building a strong curriculum vitae that includes publications, conference presentations, and teaching evaluations enhances one's chances of landing a post-secondary teaching position. Additionally, staying informed about advancements in the field and demonstrating a commitment to ongoing learning contributes to a successful career in academia. Number 5 on our work-from-home job list is the role of a market and survey researcher, ideal for those with a keen interest in understanding consumer behavior and trends. Market and survey researchers play a crucial role in helping businesses make informed decisions by gathering and analyzing data related to consumer preferences, market conditions, and industry trends. If you have a knack for data analysis, enjoy conducting surveys, and are curious about what makes people tick, this gig might be right up your alley. In terms of salary, market and survey researchers can earn around $61,000 on average. Compensation may vary depending on factors such as experience, industry, and the complexity of the research projects. Those with specialized skills in data analysis, statistical methods, and market trend interpretation may command higher salaries. Many professionals in this field find opportunities for remote work, providing the flexibility to conduct research and analyze data from the comfort of their home offices. To become a market and survey researcher, a bachelor's degree in marketing, business, statistics, or a related field is often required. Developing strong analytical skills and proficiency in statistical software is crucial for success in this role. Gaining practical experience through internships or entry-level positions can help individuals build a solid foundation in research methodologies. Networking with professionals in the industry, staying updated on research techniques, and demonstrating a knack for interpreting data are essential steps to thriving in the dynamic and evolving field of market and survey research. Let's dive into the world of healthcare with the role of a registered nurse, securing the 4th spot on our list of work-from-home jobs. Registered nurses are healthcare professionals who play a crucial role in patient care, providing medical support, administering treatment, and coordinating with other members of the healthcare team. If you have a passion for helping others, a strong sense of empathy, and the desire to make a positive impact on people's lives, a career as a remote registered nurse might be the perfect fit for you. In terms of salary, registered nurses working from home can earn an average of $62,000. Compensation may vary based on factors such as experience, specialization, and geographic location. Remote nursing opportunities can include roles in telehealth, case management, and virtual patient support. While the traditional image of a nurse might involve working in a hospital or clinic, the evolving landscape of healthcare allows RNs to contribute their skills and expertise from the comfort of their own homes. The normal education path to become a registered nurse is to obtain a nursing diploma, an associate degree in nursing or ADN, or a Bachelor of Science in Nursing or BSN. To become a licensed registered nurse or RN, candidates must pass the National Licensure Examination, also known as the NCLEX-RN, after fulfilling all educational requirements. Gaining clinical experience through internships and on-the-job training is essential for building the necessary skills and confidence in patient care. Ongoing professional development, staying abreast of advancements in healthcare and obtaining specialized certifications can further enhance a nurse's career and open up opportunities for remote work. Stepping into the tech realm, we have the computer software engineer snagging the third spot on our work-from-home jobs list. This role is perfect for individuals who are passionate about technology, coding, and building innovative software solutions. Computer software engineers design, develop, and maintain software applications contributing to the backbone of the digital world. If you're someone who thrives on solving complex problems and has a love for writing code, a career as a remote software engineer might be the perfect fit. In terms of salary, computer software engineers working from home can earn an average of $85,000. The compensation may vary based on factors such as experience, specialization, and the type of software development undertaken. With the rise of remote work in the tech industry, software engineers have the flexibility to collaborate with global teams, contribute to cutting-edge products, and enjoy a work-from-home lifestyle while making a significant impact in the software development landscape. To become a computer software engineer, a strong educational background in computer science, software engineering, or a related field is typically required. Many professionals in this field hold at least a bachelor's degree, and some pursue advanced degrees for specialized roles or research positions. To become a good software engineer, one must first lay a strong foundation in programming languages, keep up with industry trends, and obtain real-world experience through internships or side projects. Continuous learning and staying abreast of emerging technologies are key in this ever-evolving field. Securing the second spot on our list of lucrative work-from-home opportunities is the role of a financial manager. This position is tailor-made for individuals who possess a strong knack for numbers, financial strategy, and an acute business acumen. Financial managers play a pivotal role in ensuring the fiscal health of an organization by overseeing financial reports, investments, and budgeting. If you're someone who excels in financial planning, analysis, and enjoys navigating the complexities of economic landscapes, a career as a remote financial manager might be your ideal fit. In terms of salary, financial managers working from home can command an impressive average of $99,000. This figure may fluctuate based on factors such as experience, industry, and the size of the organization. Financial managers often find opportunities to increase their earnings through performance-based bonuses and incentives tied to the financial success of the companies they serve. The high earning potential makes this role particularly attractive for those with a strong background in finance and a strategic mindset. To become a financial manager, a solid educational foundation in finance, accounting, or a related field is essential. Many professionals in this role hold at least a bachelor's degree, while others pursue advanced degrees such as an MBA for more senior positions. Gaining relevant experience through roles in finance, accounting, or financial analysis is crucial for climbing the ranks to a managerial position. Building a robust skill set in financial planning, risk management, and staying informed about financial regulations and market trends are key components of a successful career as a financial manager. Continuous professional development and obtaining relevant certifications can further enhance one's qualifications in this highly competitive field. Taking the top spot in our compilation of work-from-home possibilities is the position of a physician and radiologist. This profession is for individuals who have a passion for medicine, diagnostics, and the ability to make critical healthcare decisions. Physicians and radiologists are essential in providing medical care, diagnosing illnesses, and interpreting medical imaging. If you're a dedicated healthcare professional looking to leverage your medical expertise while enjoying the flexibility of remote work, a career as a remote physician or radiologist could be an ideal fit. In terms of salary, remote physicians and radiologists lead the pack with an impressive average income of $186,000. This compensation reflects the extensive education, training, and expertise required for these roles. While the salary may vary based on factors such as specialization, expertise, and geographic location, the earning potential in these professions is among the highest. Remote healthcare opportunities facilitated by telemedicine and digital diagnostic technologies allow physicians and radiologists to provide their services from the comfort of their home offices. To become a physician or radiologist, the educational journey is rigorous, typically involving a bachelor's degree followed by medical school and residency. Obtaining a medical license is a mandatory step for practicing medicine, and board certification in a specialty enhances professional credentials. Transitioning to remote work in these roles often involves leveraging telehealth platforms and digital imaging technologies. Embracing ongoing learning, staying current with medical advancements, and fulfilling continuing educational requirements are crucial for maintaining expertise in this ever-evolving field. And that's our wrap, Luxo lovers. If today's video dropped some knowledge bombs you can use, show us some love, hit that like button, drop a comment, and spread the knowledge by sharing it. If you're new here, consider joining the Luxo-Life family. Subscribe and smash that notification bell so you're always in the loop. Catch you in the next video.